You can never find time. For anything in your life, if you're looking for time, it's never going to be found. You have to create time. According to me, true success in your life will be when you can manage your time. Time management is true success. When a man has time to do all the things, the duties, the varieties, the fun, whatever it may be. When you have the time to do everything that you want to do in your life, that's the day that you will be successful. What I enjoy the most is when it gets difficult, whether it's dancing or whether it's acting. When it gets difficult, I know this is my access point to growth. If I can surpass this, then I will become a better man, a wiser man, a stronger man. Because it's as they say, the motto that I live by is, the finest steel must go through the hottest fire. I remember when I was a child, when I was growing up, when I was a teenager, there's so many questions that come to mind. Who here wants to be great in life? And how does greatness come? Does it come with money? Does it come with fame? But the one thing that will make you great in your life, beyond money, beyond strength, beyond anything else, is your character. Know who you are. Walk your path. Know your truths. Character. That is what will make you great in whatever you do in your life. And remember that status in the world is not defined by what work you do, but by how well you do it. Whatever you do it great. That will show your character to the people around you.